It's a sensation millions of people know all too well. You take a sip of a cold drink, bite into a sweet dessert, or even breathe in cold air. And suddenly, a sharp, jangling pain shoots through one or more of your teeth. It's tooth sensitivity, and it can turn everyday pleasures into moments of dread. Your first thought might be, "Oh no, I have a cavity." And while that's certainly a possibility, there are many other reasons for tooth sensitivity that are often overlooked. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore 5 surprising triggers for that painful tooth sensitivity, and we'll discuss what might be happening beneath the surface of your smile. Trigger number 1, the acid attack, enamel erosion. Think of your tooth enamel as a suit of armor. It's the hardest substance in the human body, and its job is to protect the softer, more sensitive layer underneath called dentin. However, this armor is not invincible. One of its greatest enemies is acid. Consuming acidic foods and drinks like citrus fruits, sodas, and even some salad dressings can slowly dissolve your enamel over time. This process is called enamel erosion. Aggressive, hard brushing can also physically wear down your enamel. As this protective layer thins, it exposes microscopic tubes in the dentin that lead directly to the tooth's nerve. When hot, cold, or sweet stimuli travel through these tubes, they hit the nerve, and you feel that characteristic sharp pain. Trigger number 2, the great uncovering, gum recession. We've talked a lot about gum health on this channel, and here's another critical reason why it's so important. Your gums are meant to cover and protect the roots of your teeth. Unlike the crowns of your teeth, the roots are not covered by that hard suit of enamel. They are covered by a softer material called cementum. When your gums recede or pull away from the teeth, whether due to gum disease, genetics, or aggressive brushing, these sensitive roots become exposed. Without the protective blanket of your gums, the roots are left vulnerable, and any temperature change or touch can trigger significant pain. If you have sensitivity near your gum line, recession is a very likely culprit. Trigger number 3, the hidden damage, hairline cracks. Sometimes the source of pain isn't widespread sensitivity, but a sharp pain in a single tooth when you bite down. This could be due to a hairline crack that is too small to see with the naked eye. These tiny fractures, often called cracked tooth syndrome, can occur from chewing on something hard like ice or a popcorn kernel, or from habits like teeth grinding. When you bite down, the crack flexes open, allowing stimuli to irritate the nerve inside. When you release the bite, the crack closes, and the pain might subside, making it a frustrating and confusing experience. Trigger number 4, the nightly grind bruxism. Do you ever wake up with a sore jaw, a dull headache, or just generally achy teeth? Might be grinding your teeth at night, a condition known as bruxism. This is an incredibly common issue, often linked to stress and anxiety. The immense pressure from clenching and grinding your teeth together for hours every night can cause widespread damage. It not only wears down your protective enamel at an accelerated rate, leading to the kind of sensitivity we discussed in our first point, but it can also directly traumatize the tooth's nerve and supporting ligaments, making your teeth feel sore and sensitive all over. Trigger number 5, the inside job, a mineral deficit. This last trigger is arguably the most fundamental. What if the problem isn't just about what's happening to your teeth, but what's happening inside them? Your teeth are not dead, inert objects. They are living structures that are in a constant state of demineralization and remineralization. To stay strong, dense, and resilient, your body needs to constantly supply them with crucial minerals like calcium and phosphates. If your diet is lacking, or more importantly, if your body isn't properly absorbing and utilizing these minerals due to systemic issues or inflammation, your enamel can become weak and porous from the inside out. This internal weakening makes your teeth far more susceptible to all the other triggers we've just discussed. It's like having a poorly built suit of armor. It doesn't take much of an attack for it to fail. A lack of internal fortification is the hidden foundation upon which most tooth sensitivity is built. So what can you do? For triggers like cracks or grinding, a visit to the dentist is essential. For enamel erosion and gum recession, using a soft bristled brush and being mindful of your diet are key first steps. But for that crucial 5th trigger, the inside job, you need a systemic approach. It's about giving your body the foundational building blocks it needs to fortify your teeth from within. For those of you serious about strengthening your teeth at their core, it's worth exploring a comprehensive formula designed to support your body's natural mineralization process and promote overall oral wellness. I have found a unique solution that takes this inside-out approach. I've placed a link for you to explore in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of what might be causing your tooth sensitivity. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential health insights. Let me know in the comments, which of these surprising triggers do you think might be affecting you?